innovPlus Challenge has provided an opportunity for BCAA to explore an immersive technology in mixed reality, using Microsoft HoloLens 2 device to conduct simulation training for prefab MEP system. With simulation, all material used will be converted to 3D models and the training process will be executed in simulation. AMRUS is an experiential learning tool which focuses on hands-on activity which helps participants' memory retention and learn faster. AMRUS was designed with no coding needed, as such simulation author can produce STP easily, like using Microsoft PowerPoint.
At Searle.io, we help enterprises, government agencies, and learning institutions unlock new opportunities and efficiencies with scalable mixed reality solutions. The primary technology that we have developed here is mixed reality, leveraging on its eye tracking capability. Through the use of AI and mixed reality, we're able to track users' eye movement and understand their visual engagement while using this technology during the training sessions.
BCAA and Searle.io forged a win-win relationship throughout the project life cycle of the POC. The POC project was eventually presented to BCAA's senior management, who were impressed with the usability of AMRUS.
We see technologies as a key enabler to enhance the effectiveness in CET. The technology partnership model of the innovPlus process plays a big role in bringing innovative solutions to adult learning or CET. The process is structured to ensure close collaboration between all the stakeholders, which is essential to the success of its outcome.
Any organization with brilliant ideas but needed support should consider innovPlus Challenge.
We are definitely looking forward to more innovPlus projects.